Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I want to talk about something many of us feel. We can understand English, but we are not confident speaking it. When I listen to English, I understand a lot. I can watch movies, read books, and understand conversation. But when I try to speak, I feel nervous. You feel the same way? If so, this video is for you. Why speaking is hard? There are three answers for that question. Fear or mistake. We are afraid to say the wrong words. For example, I might say sheeps instead of sheep and feel embarrassed. In English, the word sheep is the same for both singular and plural. Saying sheeps is a common mistake. But it's important to learn from it and remember the correct form for next time. Not enough practice. We don't speak English often. For example, if we only speak English in class, we don't get enough practice. Outside of class, try to find opportunities to use English, like speaking with friends or joining clubs. Thinking in our language. We think in our first language and then translate to English. This takes time. For example, in my language, we say apple red, but in English we say red apples. Different language has different word orders, and translating directly can make sentences sound unnatural. Practice thinking directly in English to improve fluency. How to get better? Practice speaking. Try to speak English every day. For example, talk to friends, families, or even to yourself. You can say, today I would go to the store, or I like watching movies. Speaking regularly, even simple sentences helps build confidence and fluency. Learn from mistake. It's okay to make mistake. We learn from them. For example, if you say "comed" instead of "camed," remember it's for next time. English has many irregular verbs like come, which becomes came in the past tense. Making mistake is a normal part of learning. Think in English. Try to think in English, not in your first language. For example, when you see a dog, think dog instead of the word in your language. This helps make speaking more automatic and reduce the time needed to translate thoughts. Use simple words. Start with easy words and sentences. For example, say I am happy instead of I am feeling very joyful today. It's better to speak simply and clearly. Simple sentences are easier to construct and understand, which helps build confidence. Fun ways to practice. Language exchange. Finding friends who speak English helps each other learn. For example, you can teach your friends your language and they can help you with English. This way, both of you benefit and you get real conversational practice. Record yourself. Use your phone to record your voice. Listen to it to hear how you sound. For example, read a short story or describe your day. Recording yourself helps you become aware of your pronunciation and fluency, and you can track your progress over time. Join clubs or groups. Look for English speaking club or online groups to practice. For example, Join a book club or an online chat groups where people speak English. This group provides a supportive environment to practice and improves your speaking skills. Understanding English is a great start. Speaking takes time and practice. Don't be afraid to try. You can do it. Thanks for watching. If you like these videos, please subscribe and share. See you next time.